In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar for a seamless scheduling experience. If you're juggling meetings and events across different platforms, this integration can significantly simplify your life by ensuring all your important dates and times are in one place. Let's dive into the steps to make this happen. First, open your preferred browser and navigate to Google Calendar. You can do this by simply typing Google Calendar into the search bar or by entering the URL directly. Once you're in your Google Calendar, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the settings icon represented by a gear. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the settings option. This will lead you to a new page filled with a variety of settings that you can customize to fit your preferences. Today, we're focusing on integrating your Outlook calendar, so you'll want to direct your attention to the section labeled Add Calendar, which is located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Add Calendar, and a new list of options will unfold. From here, select from URL. This is a critical step because it allows you to pull in external calendars by using their unique web addresses known as iCal URLs. Now let's switch gears and turn to your Outlook calendar. If you're unsure where to find your iCal URL, you'll need to go into your Outlook calendar first. Go to your Outlook's calendar sharing settings to locate the iCal URL. Generally, this can be found in the settings or options menu of your Outlook calendar software or web-based service. Once you've located the iCal URL, you'll need to select and copy it. Double check to ensure you've captured the entire link without any accidental truncation. With this URL copied onto your clipboard, head back over to Google Calendar. Now paste this URL into the From URL field you previously opened. After pasting, there should be an option titled Add Calendar just below where you entered the URL. Click on this. What happens now is pretty exciting. Google Calendar will take that URL and begin the process of integrating your Outlook events. This means all your appointments, meetings, and reminders from Outlook will now display within Google Calendar, making it much easier for you to manage your time across both platforms. You'll be able to see all of your scheduled commitments in one consolidated view. Congratulations, you've successfully synced your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar. This setup will greatly simplify your scheduling, providing more streamlined and efficient time management. Thanks so much for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in integrating your calendars for a more organized life. Have a great day!